Hey guys, it is 6:56 p.m. We're going to get started here in about 4 minutes. All right, 3 minutes till we get going. I'm going to share this over to the group page. Hey Pete, hey David. Yeah, hopefully we get you some good Rockies, man. That David Dahl hit from last case was awesome. It's 6:58, 2 minutes to go. We are testing this as a live stream on YouTube too. Actually, no, everything has not been paid for. Let me pull up the teams. We have the Diamondbacks and Twins. Diamondbacks can go for 15 and the Twins for 20. So neither of those spots paid. Yeah, that's awesome. Rockies are a good team. All right, David Erickson has the Diamondbacks. I'll turn over to my laptop here and just put the PayPal link. There we go. All right, and again, if you are watching this on YouTube, this is the first time we've tried live streaming this on YouTube. Saying video output low, so maybe it's not going so well. I am using a 2008 iMac, or 2007 iMac, I mean. So maybe I need to try to do this with the MacBook next time. All right, last call on the Twins at $20. just about ready to get started. I know there is just a little bit of lag. I'm just testing out the lag time here between me speaking and it coming through on your Facebook page. Okay, Adam has the Twins. All right, so all teams are sold. Let's get this going. Welcome to Cardboard Treasures. This is our 2017 Topps Tier 1, full case number 2. And we had a pretty good case last time, but I got a feeling we've got a monster in here. So let's get this going. Let's run through the teams actually real fast. So the Diamondbacks will be David. Wade has the Braves. Vinny has the Orioles. Wade has the Red Sox. Meredith has the Cubs. Brent has the White Sox. Meredith has the Reds. Andrew has the Indians. David has the Rockies. Bob has the Tigers. And this is where it gets a little tricky here. Okay, Brent has the Astros. Derek has the Royals. William has the Angels. Martin has the Dodgers. Kenneth S. has the Marlins. Vinny has the Brewers. The Twins is Adam. Jason has the Mets. John has the Yankees. Wade has the A's. Kenneth M. has the Phillies. Shannon has the Pirates. Jeff has the Padres. Breck has the Giants. Meredith has the Mariners. Vinny has the Cardinals. Kenneth M. has the Rays. Ken E. has the Rangers. Kenneth M. has the Blue Jays. And Jason H. has the Nationals. So I will verify all of those. I know that was a little confusing. We had a couple names that got brought up there at the end that I had to try to get figured out. So it's paypal.me/cardboard treasures. All right, let's get this going. And if this is your first time doing a break with me, I do go through things a little bit slower. I like to take a look at the cards, make sure you have a chance to see the cards, know what to expect when you get your shipment. So good luck, everybody. 12 boxes. And I completely had a brain fart last time and got all excited because there were 2 autos per box. I thought we had some sort of exceptional case or something, but that is standard. So is that it? Yep, 12. So 2 autos and 1 relic per box. 3 of these boxes should have 2 relics. And let's get this going. All right, here we go with pack 1. Good luck. Starting us off, Jacob deGrom. A little bit of a pinstripe in there. That's numbered 318 to 331. Next up, Freddie Freeman. Going to the Braves. That's 148 of 331. And our auto, dual auto. Going to the Braves, number 1 of 25, Freddie Freeman and Dansby Swanson. Dual auto, congrats Braves. Nice way to get us started. There you go, Braves. Nice hit. That reminds me I need to get the hit racks out. We're going to have to put that up right. And finishing us off, number 205 to 300, Cody Reed, going to the Reds. On card autos. Yeah, the Braves were huge last case. They got a copper chipper and what was the other one they got? Galarraga, I they got something else. Real nice chipper though, numbered to 25 auto. John Lester starting us out. Relic with the pinstripe, numbered 122 of 331. And is this a tier 1 bat knob with an auto? Trevor Story going to the Rockies. Man, that threw me off with that design. Big hit for the Rockies. Is that a 1 of 1? I don't see a number on it, but I would think that's a 1 of 1. Man, that's huge. Nice hit. Congrats, Rockies. And I'm going to need a good sized top loader for that one. Oh, that's not even going to fit in that sleeve. Let me get a magnetic for that. There you go, Rockies. Huge hit for the Rockies. Trevor Story bat knob. Let's scoot these over a little bit. And finishing us off, going to the Cardinals, numbered 124 of 200, Randall Grichuk. Wow, 2 boxes, a dual auto, Freddie Freeman and Dansby Swanson, 1 of 25. And then Trevor Story bat knob. I really didn't know what I was looking at when I pulled that. I guess I did see the Corey Seager version that's in their advertising, but man, that is awesome. Congrats, Rockies. We have a dual jersey relic, numbered 12 of 25, Matt Carpenter, going to the Cardinals. Followed by Albert Pujols, number 216 of 331. Jersey relic. And numbered 186 of 300, Jose Canseco, going to the A's. Nice hit for the A's, congrats. And we have a redemption. There we go, we'll put him up there. My aim's a little off. I think I'm still a little shaken about the story. That's awesome. There's Canseco. And our redemption. Breakout autograph, copper ink parallel. So this should be numbered to 25 of Henry Owens going to the Red Sox. There you go, Henry Owens. Yeah, David, I always try to be gentle with the cards, man. I see some breakers, and not trying to talk bad about anybody, but I see some of them treat these cards definitely not like I would treat cards that are in my PC, and I want to treat everybody else's cards the way I'd want mine treated. So copper ink parallel, Henry Owens going to the Red Sox. Yeah, you had the Rockies last break, right? Some nice stuff out of there. That pack didn't even really feel too heavy or anything. It just felt like maybe there was an extra relic in it or something. Alex Bregman jersey. That's numbered 132 of 331. And numbered 72 of 200, Kendrys Morales, going to the Blue Jays. Followed by number 226 of 300, there's Max Kepler. I've seen a lot of Kepler cards pulled out of these breaks too, and he's always on the left side there. Get this Morales sleeved up. That's cool, David. I actually lived in Denver when they were running a contest. I think it was Rocky Mountain News or Denver Post or something. And it was a contest to try to figure out what to name the Colorado Major League team. Here we go, Justin Verlander. This one feels a little heavy too. Justin Verlander, 289 of 331. Nice hit going to the Tigers. And Evan Longoria going to the Rays. Patch auto, 16 of 30, going to the Rays. One of our cheaper teams in the break. Congrats. And here you go, David. 101 of 140, Trevor Story once again. Nice hit for the Rockies. There you go. And I've mentioned this before in my breaks, or actually I did in the last break, but if you noticed, there were some teams that were not in the eBay listings. It's because people who like my page have the opportunity to go to my website, and it's cardboardtreasures.com, and purchase teams, and they had free shipping and things like that. So there were a few people that took advantage of that, and so make sure you follow the page, like the page, and keep up to date on what breaks we have coming up, and you can get some great deals. There you go, 16 of 30, Evan Longoria, patch auto. Another hit for the Rockies, DJ LeMahieu, 274 of 331, jersey relic, followed by, number 2 of 10. Oh, man. Silver ink Lou Brock going to the Cardinals. Big hit for the Cardinals. Congrats, Vinny. Nice hit. There you go, Cardinals. And 15 of 25, Blake Snell, copper ink. Going to the Rays. Nice break for the Rays so far. I'll take it, David. If you were here right now, I'd give you that hug. All right, halfway there. Yeah, we need some Royals. We need some Yankees, some Angels. Ooh. Big patch coming up here. Ryan Braun. 3-colored patch, numbered 5 of 10. Nice hit for the Brewers. Congrats. That is one of the prodigious patches. We pulled an auto Anthony Rizzo last time. One of those prodigious patches. There you go, Danny Duffy. Derek, we got you on 227 of 300. On-card auto going to the Royals. And numbered 81 of 140. There he is, Aaron Judge. On-card auto. Big hit for the Yankees. Who had the Yankees? John. We just got you a Judge auto, man. Joe, I'm sure you're watching. My condolences. You skunked last time with the Yankees. There he is, Aaron Judge. I think Mr. Snell's going to have to go back a couple rows. And we'll get Duffy in a sleeve and top loader for you. Man, I knew this was going to be a big case. I could just feel it. There's Duffy to 300. Yeah, this has been a really good case. Did you miss anything? Yeah, you missed a whole lot. There's Ben Zobrist, 16 of 331. Jersey with just a little pinstripe showing in the corner. Numbered 153 of 300, Steven Matz. Going to the Mets. And for the Phillies, number 29 of 300, Roman Quinn. This has been like the last case, though. It's really been spread out. Lots of teams getting hits. Hopefully we can get something for everybody and nobody gets skunked. Now, if you don't get any hits, I'm still going to send you something. It's not going to be probably anything close to what you were hoping to get, but I'm not going to let you go home empty-handed. Next up, Daniel Murphy. Jersey, number 190 to 331. And we have Chipper Jones, numbered 1 of 30. Chipper Jones, Tier 1 autographs. 1 of 30. Going to the Braves. 2 big hits for the Braves. Congrats. And following that, we have 161 of 300, Reynaldo Lopez, going to the Nationals. There it is, Chipper Jones, 1 of 30, Tier 1 autographs. And Reynaldo Lopez to 300. 3 boxes to go. 2 relics in this one. Dual bat relic. Going to the Braves, number 9 of 25, Hank Aaron. Braves, you are killing it. Wade, you are having a killer break, man. Congrats. Next up, we have a relic, 243 of 331, Gregory Polanco. Let me get this in a sleeve and top loader. Dual bat relic, Hank Aaron. Man, I don't know what to move out of the way here. There's a lot of great stuff in this case. There's our Polanco. How about numbered 54 to 200, Ozzie Guillen, going to the White Sox. Nice on-card auto. And going to the Royals, Hunter Dozier, number 135 of 140. Two hits for the Royals. And there's Ozzie Guillen. All right, 2 boxes to go. Luke Weaver, jersey, numbered 213 of 331, going to the Cardinals. Numbered 256 of 300, Juris Familia, going to the Mets. On-card auto. Following that, 42 of 60, Alex Bregman, rookie on-card auto. Nice hit for the Astros. There you go, Astros. There's Familia. All right, last box. Good luck, everybody. We will do a hit recap. And before I open this, next week, we have 2017 Topps Finest, our 3rd full case break. And if you go to cardboardtreasures.com, you can get the teams before they go to eBay. Enter the promo code CT free ship to get free shipping on your order if you order through the website. Those teams do go to eBay, I believe, on Tuesday. So you want to jump on those now if you're interested in that break. Nice. Number 93. Of 200, going to the Mets, Mike Piazza, pinstripe jersey. Next up, number 8 of 65, Paul Konerko, going to the White Sox. And our last one, number 211 of 300, Trey Mancini, rookie on-card auto. It could turn into a really nice card. Nice hit for the O's. Really spread the love on these teams here. Lots of teams, very few skunks. Like I said, if you didn't get anything, I will send you something. But let's do a quick recap. Start off the sleeved autos here. These will be put in top loaders. Everything will go in sleeves and top loaders. There's Paul Konerko to 65. Juris Familia to 300. Going to the Mets. There's Ozzie Guillen to 200. Going to the White Sox. Hunter Dozier to 140. Going to the Royals. Reynaldo Lopez to 300. Going to the Nationals. Steven Matz to the Mets. Roman Quinn to 300, and that's going to the Phillies. Kendrys Morales to 200, going to the Blue Jays. Max Kepler to 300, going to the Twins. There's Henry Owens, breakout autograph, copper ink parallel, going to the Red Sox. Randall Grichuk to 200, going to the Cardinals. Cody Reed to 300, going to the Reds. And guys, if you're watching this live on YouTube, I just glanced over and I see that the camera got bumped or something, so this has been off-centered. I'm going to re-upload the actual Facebook video, so you'll be able to watch it. The live stream is probably kind of messed up. Here's Alex Bregman, rookie auto, going to the Astros, numbered to 60. And Danny Duffy to 300 for the Royals. And the big ones. There's Evan Longoria, nice hit for the Rays. Patch auto, numbered to 30. Trevor Story, 101 of 140, going to the Rockies. Jose Canseco, numbered to 300, going to the A's. Ryan Braun, prodigious patch, number 5 of 10, going to the Brewers. Beautiful patch. There's Blake Snell, 15 of 25, copper ink, going to the Rays. Trey Mancini, going to the Orioles, numbered to 300. Chipper Jones, numbered 1 of 30. Dual auto, Freddie Freeman and Dansby Swanson, numbered to 25. Hank Aaron, dual bat relic, numbered 9 of 25. Lou Brock, silver ink, numbered 2 of 10. Going to the Cardinals. Here's Aaron Judge, on-card auto, numbered 081 of 140, and going to the Yankees. And our main event, Tier 1 bat knob, game used, Trevor Story with an auto, and I just noticed up at the top here, it does say Tier 1, 1 of 1. So congrats, Rockies, huge hit. That is awesome. Our first 1 of 1, hopefully the first of many. And guys, I'm going to be up as late as it takes in order to get everything packaged up and shipped out. Keep in mind the 4th of July, there is no mail, so probably a day delay on the mail, but I will have all this stuff dropped off at the post office tomorrow. So thank you all for joining. Be sure to check out the website at cardboardtreasures.com, like the page, keep up to date on what we have going on, and I'll see you next time.